and welcome. And today I have a special conversation with the head of Binance Balkans, Sandro.
Hi, thank you for having me.
So, what is special about Binance in the Balkans?
Well, I think the region is special, right? So from the Binance perspective, crypto perspective, the IT perspective, we are kind of always in the back, right? And global markets are not looking at Balkans as much as I think they should. Uh, Luckily for us, the sentiment is changing in the last years. We see that from activities from the competitors. A lot of crypto projects, talents are coming in the Balkan region, exploring the opportunities and building uh, crypto environment here.
And what would you say are the main things attracting crypto founders and investors?
In the Balkan
Yes,
region,
yes.
I always say in the local language, like we are the gold mine here, which I truly believe it's true because if you take a look at the biggest projects, especially in the crypto, actually a lot of them came from Balkans and the founders are from the Balkan region, which a lot of people actually don't know, right? So the talent here for sure is attracting a lot of investors, a lot of founders to engage more and to extract the value out. And for sure, we are, I would say, kind of undeveloped, right? So a lot of opportunities to create a perfect ecosystem and the perfect structure is here and open for everyone who is willing to explore and do some work.
And in which countries of the Balkan region are you mostly present, and which would you say is the most crypto friendly?
Well, this is not on me to say because we have the global research. So if you were covering that part, you could see that Slovenia in the last 2 years was on global levels the most friendly crypto country. Even if compared with Singapore, Chinese countries or whatever, Slovenia takes number one place, and actually Slovenians as a population, they were one of the first that started with Bitcoin mining. They were like very deep into Bitcoin mining from the start. So Slovenia is, in terms of friendliness, number one, no questions asked. But in terms of other, I would say probably Kosovo really stands out here because the penetration of crypto is enormous.
Really?
Yeah, they even have bigger penetration of crypto than Ukraine, which is I don't know how many times bigger market, right? So Kosovo is very crypto oriented. They have, I think, out of the whole Balkan region, they are the youngest nation, right? Having the youngest talents there, and actually what they do and what they are famous for, they are actually exporting a lot of local knowledge, let's say, to the global big players. So yeah, I would say Kosovo is very interesting, but of course on the let's say potential side and population side, for sure Serbia and Croatia are here. I would say unicorns in a way. Just because of the size and the strength of the capital.
Well, the facts about Slovenia are surprising, and there are some very interesting opportunities in Slovenia also for foreigners to move there. And they have a newly launched digital nomad visa, which is only a few months old. So, also attractive to many Americans, and apparently also to people in crypto. And I did not know that Kosovo was that crypto friendly and that attractive. That is a really interesting information.
Yeah, they are very bullish on crypto, and actually, in Kosovo, you can now buy a lot of commodities with crypto, from real estate, cars, and so on.
What would you say? How can someone realistically build a crypto company from the Balkans? How would you start? Where would you choose to start?
Yeah, that's a good one. Well, all the crypto companies start as a startup, right? So I think the first thing you need to understand here is the foundations and on which chain you want to build a project or something. So usually what people do, and guys from the Balkans, they decide on a chain, let's say BNB, Solana, Ethereum, whatever, and they seek for they try to raise funds from the chain itself to build a project. Of course, the in crypto, it's I would say more specific and more oriented to the data and the user bases, because if you don't have at the start some users using your product, most likely you will not get any traction, right? So you really need to secure the testing environment, need to secure initial user base to be able to grow. Because I don't know if you know, but currently I believe we are sitting on hundreds of millions tokens that were created globally. And every token, you can look it as a project. And if you know that like 90% of these projects fail and go to zero, then you can imagine how many testings and everything is going in the background. So I think it's not as easy as it was like 10 years ago. 10 years ago, every project was kind of successful and had the at least opportunity to be live for 1 year, 2 years, to test something, to feel if the people will use it or something. But today it can last not even a day.
And what would you say is one of the biggest secrets regarding crypto in this region? Something that only experts know.
Secrets. Well, crypto is very transparent, right? That is the point of crypto, because you can track every single transaction and you can understand what people are doing, and you can not hide anything. So I wouldn't say there are any like secrets, and this is why I love what I do, right? I was like in my previous occupations, I worked in the biggest banks, biggest global companies, and so on. And I got tired exactly of that, of hiding things and sort of manipulation, which, of course, there is manipulation in terms of markets, probably, of big players, but still, if you understand how to read the data and understand how to track it, then everything is transparent to you. So in terms of the how to say, the crypto as ecosystem, there shouldn't be any secrets, and I don't believe there are. But in terms of what I do, and maybe some strategies, and how we approach it as Binance, for sure we have our own know-how, and we have our secrets how to be the best, which we are, right? So, but I will not share that.
So before we came here, we were actually discussing that there is a place in the Balkans that is like a hidden Dubai.
Okay, but that is not a crypto secret, right? That is more national treasure, I would say. I mean, like, yeah, for sure. If you take a look at the growth of Albania, especially Tirana, growth of Kosovo, Pristina, growth of Montenegro, multiple cities in Montenegro, it's really, you can be proud to live in this region, and to show these jewels, and how specific countries are developing. Last year I was first time in Albania, in Tirana. I was blown away. The architecture, the city concept and how it's developing is something I never saw in any other European city or anywhere else in the world. It's something really special. So yeah, I think we have a lot of these hidden gems, and I think people from the global are starting to realize that. I mean, I don't have to talk about Dubrovnik. I hope, like
No. Game of Thrones did the work for Dubrovnik.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I think we as a region are developing very good, very steady. We have a good pace. We have a lot of countries that we expect to enter the EU. So more growth will come, right? From financing from the European zone. So yeah, I only see positive future for the region.
And what would you say is the biggest advantage for someone to move to the Balkans who is in crypto?
Well, there are quite few. I think there are still countries that are not regulated like fully. So this is always an opportunity for the big crypto guys, right? There are a lot of countries, including the Croatia, Kosovo, Serbia, Albania, that have very low taxes on crypto gains, right, which is good. And also, what I think is probably the best benefit, if you hold in most of the countries, if you hold crypto for 2 or 3 years, then there are no taxes for you. But beside that, I think the whole Balkan region, in terms of okay, not crypto, but digital nomads, we are very friendly and accepting foreigners to work here and to build and grow business here. So
Yes, I do agree with that, and I see that there is a growing interest, especially from digital nomads and online entrepreneurs, to come to Slovenia, to Croatia, to Serbia, Montenegro, especially. You know, they want to come here, enjoy the beautiful coast, the food, the European culture, and if they have lower taxes, that's a bonus.
yes, of course. I think we offer the full package here, right? So
But what would you say are the areas that can still improve in terms of the crypto environment here?
the regulatory standpoint is something that we need. It's crucial for the safety of the users, right? So we are still a young and growing region, and I think regulatory framework is the key for the industry, for the local people, and for the future investments in crypto. So I would put that as priority zero, let's say. After that, I think we need to be more open for developing industries. I think we have two ways now. Either we are closing industries, or we are letting too much of national treasure to be captured from someone else, right? So we need to find the middle ground that will satisfy both sides. So that would be my two biggest things to do here.
And what is Binance Balkans trying to accomplish in this region?
Well, we already accomplished a lot, right? So in terms of the Binance, Balkans is one of the best performing regions for the past 2 years. So we did great work here for the internal results and achievements, but still there is a lot of work to be done. I can proudly say that we just last week reached a huge milestone for the Balkans. in terms of number of users on Binance from Balkans. But we have a global uh, North Star, let's say, of 3 billion users on Binance. So you can imagine this is 10x from the current state, right? So we have a lot of work to do. And I think Balkan region is really contributing in a good way towards that goal. So yeah, a lot of work. Hopefully, we will be able to help with a regulatory framework. We'll be able to hopefully, as on the global level, probably participate more in the nation vaults, and probably I hope that we will influence enough people that crypto is safe and good investment, right? So yeah, a lot of work.
Yeah, but I want to talk about the fun part. I see that you have a lot of events, huge events, all over the region. So tell me about the events. Where do you have most of events? Who shows up?
Yeah, well, yeah, events are events are something I'm very proud of. We did a lot of testing, pivoting from this to that, but yeah, I think in the last year we did like 40 events across the region. We had huge interest. We tried a couple of different things, from the Binance meetups where we usually have like 500, 600 attendees, to the smaller events that we call learning labs, which are intended for the people who are new in crypto or want to learn about crypto, right? So with the help of the Binance Angels, which are the crucial and I would say foundation of everything I'm trying to do here, because these guys are helping me a lot. So they put their time and efforts to teach people about the basics of crypto, and to onboard them on Binance to start their crypto journey. So this year we are kind of pivoting from the, I would say, boring meetups and hotel conference halls and all the fancy stuff, right? I'm kind of bored of that already, so I'm trying something new. And we already started, and it showed us like crazy good results. So for this year, we tried with Cevapi truck. We got a full food truck, fully branded in Binance. We have our cooks that grill cevapi in front of you. People come on the event. We have a lot of games. So in average, I think we did 4 of these events until now. In average, 1K participants per event. So basically, from pivoting from the hotels and stuff like that, we doubled the attendance of these events. And of course, the business results were following that. So I think we found a new way how we want to be included in the public here. And I still have even crazier ideas for the end of the year and probably next year. So yeah,
Binance New Year's Eve party.
you never know, you never know. But yeah, I think we have a lot of fun here, and we really try to talk to people, uh, but not in any intrusive way. We welcome everyone. If you want to learn about crypto, have fun with us, play some games, get some cool Binance swag, earn some crypto or something, then you are more than welcome to join.
Okay, so your events are different because being boring is forbidden, and people
Yes.
come for the fun and end as being your clients?
You can do my job.
maybe, maybe. Do you need a representative in another country?
Yeah, we can talk about everything.
So, in 2026, everybody's talking about AI and using AI in everything. Also to make money in crypto, especially Claude. So, what's your take on that?
Yeah, AI is huge. I'm a huge fan. We as Binance are developing a lot of our internal AI. We even launched last week the AI trading product, fully developed. So yeah, AI is huge, and I think if you dismiss that or try to avoid it, you are just losing in the long run. I don't believe that. We will be replaced with AI. I think we are the perfect synergy with AI. I can talk from my personal example, like uh, tasks that I would probably do 1 year ago for one whole day. Now it takes me like 20, 30 minutes. So it's complementary, and I think everyone should use it. I am very bullish on AI. I believe in that, and I think it's an amazing technology. So, yeah, but from investment part to the usage part, everyone should get in 100%.
And what's your favorite AI app?
From the public ones, right? Because my favorite is Binance internal AI, because
But
he is the
some
smartest.
of the, yeah, some of the, well, you're being biased, it's your product. But some of the public ones.
From the public ones, I am the biggest fan of Claude, to be honest. I use the Chat GPT, I use Gemini, Perplexity, but I think my best fit is with Claude.
Yes, seems to be everybody's best friend recently.
Yeah, but actually the data is not showing that, right? So when you look at the usage data of the AIs, ChatGPT is still number one. Okay.
People still have not discovered Claude.
Yeah, that's true. And then what amazed me, because I look at this data very often, I'm very geeky in that way. Perplexity only in the last 3 weeks tripled the number of usage. So Perplexity is cooking something, right? So I think when you find one that fits you, you always need to come back and test the others just to see the growth, the improvements that were done, right? The I was talking about the similar case on another topic, because this is what the biggest mistake, right? What people do. They test something, it doesn't work, they move on, but they then forget to get back and see what was done on the product that didn't work, because people are still building that, right? And a lot, especially in the AI cases, can change overnight. Like they can build something even crazier. So I am always for testing, moving back and forward. But for now, Claude number one.
Yeah, we also use Claude and ChatGPT, and I have to say that ChatGPT has improved photo generation a lot.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean, people never know when I generate images with the ChatGPT. It's like, oh, you Sora or you Claude. No, it was Chad. You know the funny memes? Who are your employees? Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, all of these.
Yeah. You have to use it.
Okay, and what are your upcoming events in the Balkans? Where can people come?
Okay, yeah, we actually have quite a lot. So this weekend, on Saturday and Sunday, we will be in North Macedonia in Kumanovo with our Kulčevapi truck. So this is one to visit for sure if you will be in the neighborhood. Next week on 22nd of May, We are also North Macedonia, but in Skopje. Uh, we are celebrating Pizza Day. I don't know if you know the story.
Yeah, everybody that I know in crypto is always mentioning Pizza Day. It's like a thing for everyone in crypto.
I mean, it's
You
yeah.
get money to eat pizza.
Yeah, but do you know why Pizza Day?
Explain it. I don't know if everybody here watching knows.
Okay. Let us do it for the listeners. So it was 2017, if I'm not wrong, but I think it was 2017. But basically, the guy ordered two pizzas and paid 10,000 bitcoins for these two pizzas, right? At it's even hard to calculate what that would be worth today.
He overpaid for pizza.
Yeah, he overpaid a lot for the pizzas.
It is like 10 lifetimes of pizza.
No, that's I was to say even more. Yeah, but yeah, crazy story. So yeah, we are celebrating this, and of course, on the event in Skopje, we will give free pizza to everyone who comes to the event. So. If you want to enjoy the free pizza, please visit us in Skopje. And actually, the day after Skopje, we are moving to Kosovo, to Balkans Blockchain Summit. This is the biggest crypto conference in the Balkan region. Last year we had 5K people joining there. I think this year will even be bigger. And in Kosovo for BBS, we have a very special occasion. Rachel Conlan, which is she is the CMO of the Binance Global. She's coming for the first time in the region, and yeah, it would be huge for everyone.
Kosovo is going to be in the signature Binance yellow color.
Oh yes, full yellow.
Full yellow. Everybody will know
Yes.
what's happening.
We are a proud main sponsors of that conference, second year in a row. The guys there are brilliant. They are fully immersed in crypto. Huge team, very welcoming, and yeah, I feel that my whole team, including the Binance Angels, always love and appreciate when we come to Kosovo. So yeah.
Okay, I will put the link to register for this event below in the description, so more people can join this amazing event and discover Kosovo.
I mean, I can talk more about events. We have a lot incoming, but I think like you can understand how tight we are on schedule and how many of these activations we have in the region. So until end of July, we have like 10 more events in pipeline. So
There are constantly events happening.
we are
Yeah.
just moving.
Okay, and I hope then when you also expand to some other countries that you will also throw more events in these other countries.
Well, yeah, I mean, you never know if the expansion will bring me to other countries, then for sure. But I cannot talk to in terms of other Binance managers handling other countries. So, yeah, if we are talking about the Balkan region, for sure, I think with the MiCA license upcoming for the Europe, we will for sure open Croatia and Slovenia. We were not active in Croatia and Slovenia for 2 years, so I have a crazy, super cool, the best ever event planned for Croatia. It will be the best. And yeah, I can't wait. Like Croatia is my home city. You can imagine when I work across the region and not in my home country. Like it's killing me. So I can't wait for the license and to show
Yeah,
them.
and the first place to throw an event is Zagreb or something on the coast? No, Zagreb. Start from the capital.
Of course.
The capital will be yellow.
Yes.
And also you brought me a very nice gift. Yeah? Okay, this is...
For you.
Okay, thank you. What a beautiful box. It's quite heavy. A very nice yellow. Ooh, let's see what's inside.
You know, you go click clack, like this.
Okay. Oh, wow. This is a lot. You're very generous in Binance.
But you need to leave the cap.
Oh.
Another presents below.
Okay, so souvenirs, corporate merch, which we all need. Oh, badges, keychains. Oh, a hat. Okay, then I will also promote Binance this summer. Okay, what is this? What is this?
This is the towel, I believe. Yeah.
Oh, it's a bag?
Yes.
Ah, bag. Okay. You know, you see, I even don't know my own bag.
Okay, this is quite nice, like a sports team.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jersey.
This was the special jersey for 8th-year anniversary. This is very exclusive box.
Oh, okay. Then I guess I'm a special interviewer.
Of course.
Okay, what else? Oh, I like this. And another hoodie jacket.
Yes.
Okay, and this is probably my favorite part in this. Binance. Okay, so if you still are not a Binance user, it's time to become one, and I also leave the link to become a Binance user in the description. So do join the Binance Balkans events and also start using Binance because obviously it's the best exchange.